Let's explore the request block. This block allows the bot to interact with external systems in the process of dialogue via API. For example, it can exchange data with your CRM system or receive data from various services. The request block contains the following fields in addition to the standard ones. Wait message delay, the time after which the bot will display a message asking to wait. Wait more message, the text with the request to wait, which will be displayed by the bot. The text can be used to fill the pause during which the system performs a service call. Request, for which the following methods can be selected. Get, used to retrieve data from the server, for example, customer data from the CRM. Post, applied to send a set of data to the server, for example, creating a new laid card. Delete, used to delete data on the server. Put, applied to completely change the existing information on the server. Patch, used for partial change of the existing information on the server. URL, address of the server to which the request is sent. The choice of method depends on which action on the server you want to perform and the included API documentation. When filling out a URL, you can specify parameters, information that is sent through the URL itself. Authorization, the method of providing access to the data on the server. The following values are possible. None, used if authorization is not required to work with the server. Login password, authorization is performed using a combination of login and password. Bearer, the authorized token and its value are required to work with the server. Headers, allow the server to send additional information about the request and its response. For example, cookies. Request body, this is the information we send to the server. Works with all methods that involve sending data to the server, usually specified in JSON format. Client URL is a tool for transferring data through various network protocols. With this tab, you can convert client URL into an address with filled parameters to fulfill the request. This is very useful when copying ready-made client URLs from API documentation. After saving the request, you can also set the callback URL parameter. It is intended to generate notifications that will be sent after the request is executed. After sending a request to the server, it is necessary to receive a response. This can be done using outgoing links. Success, the link will be forwarded if the response from the server is successful. Parameters can be specified. Response code, the response status code from the server, which indicates whether the request was successful. Codes 200 and 201 are considered successful. Conditions, conditions of link transition. Variables, fields for extracting data from the server response. The result of the response from the server will be stored in the variable body. To extract data from the response, specify the name of the variable where the value and the path of it should be written. To do this, type body, dot, and specify the path. For example, to get the name from the following response, refer to the variable body.client.user. The name of the specific field, first name. Or you may need to get the answer from an array of data. For example, for the age field of the first object, the path would be body.calls.0.variables.age, and for the second object, the path will be body.calls.1.variables.age. That is, the difference is in the index of the array we are accessing. To see other examples of server responses, see our article. Failure, The link will be forwarded if it fails to get a response from the server. Default. Use to follow the link without checking for success. And that's it. Now you know how to work with the request block.